In this video, we are going to explain how to buy the public transportation tickets in Barcelona. If you are heading to the capital of Catalonia and want to make the most of its excellent public transportation network, this video is for you. Hola, I am Tony Galvez from Road Trip Spain and Portugal, where we help you plan the perfect trip with practical information and insider tips. While Barcelona is a surprisingly compact city, there will be times when you will need to use the public transportation system, be it the buses, the underground, the trains, or the funiculars. The excellent news for visitors is that all the different means of public transportation use the same tickets, so the ticket you buy for the bus can be used on the underground and so on. So let's see how to buy the ticket called T-Casual or T-Casual, valid for 10 trips. It is a personal ticket that cannot be shared, so if you're two people traveling together, you will need to buy two T-Casual tickets. The step-by-step instructions we have just shown are valid for the purchase of other tickets as well. As you will have realized, the machines are really easy to operate. If you want to pre-purchase the travel cards before traveling, with a 10% discount you can do so and collect them on arrival at Barcelona Airport. On the description below we are going to leave links pointing to Barcelona's official tourism website where you can purchase those tickets. Now, a very important observation before we end this video. Paper tickets, as shown on the video, are soon going to be a thing of the past in Barcelona, with the introduction of modern electronic cards known as T-Mobilitat. So do not be surprised if you watch this video in 2 years' time and the tickets do no longer look the same. As soon as the change happens, we will record a new video and link it here in the description of the present video. As usual, if you have any questions for us about the topic of the video, we'll be delighted to help. If you like the video, smash the thumbs up and big thanks for it. And if you're new to the channel, take the opportunity to subscribe. It's just a click on the round button that will appear shortly on the screen. We'll see you soon in another video with tips for a road trip in Spain or Portugal. Até mais, hasta la próxima, see you soon.